What's the meaning of arsey? Arsey. Arsey.
Arsey. Arsey. Arsey is a British slang term that means difficult, awkward, or unpleasant. It is typically used to describe a situation that is not going well, or a person who is being uncooperative or irritating. The word is often used in informal contexts, such as among friends or colleagues, and is considered somewhat vulgar. While it can be used in a light-hearted or humorous way, it is generally seen as impolite or rude. Overall, arsey carries a negative connotation and suggests frustration or annoyance with a particular situation or individual.